So right now it's
use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Well, what's this? You added this thing?
What?
What's this?
Those are 10s. These 10s, the 6.5s, and then the tweeters and the sails are the SQ side.
Okay.
So instead of trying to make this stuff work on the SQ side,
Sound quality, yeah.
I can run stereo subs and play around with it. And,
awesome.
So these, whenever I'm competing on the in there, I'm only having tuned 6 speakers.
Okay.
Ratios are a lot better.
Yeah.
Let's see.
How many amps? Are you down an amp or?
I've got. Well, yeah. All that's hooked up right now is just 2 of the 4 amps. So all 6. So I've actually seriesed it up to a 1.6 ohm load for rise. So
okay.
Let's see.
I'm gonna get the back amp real quick.
Sure.
Wrong?
It's still the DSP still kicking on.
Right.
We'll but it get speakers moving. I can
That's all right.
play something and we'll get
man.
We'll get it figured out.
Got some more?
I told you I'd drink it all.
Some good lemonade.
What?
Let's see. There we go. So right now it's only on 2 amps, you said?
Yeah.
So how much power?
Well, it's 5. It'd be 5,000 if it was loaded at 1 ohm, but it's 1.6. So it's probably
less. Yeah.
Maybe
all right.
maybe 30, maybe 3,000 less.
Okay.
Maybe.
Sure. Was that?
52.
Woo!
That's
Made me sneeze.
I can run something a little bit.
Oh, thank you. That one made me sneeze.
That's kind of the
higher note.
Well, like for park and pound.
Yeah. All right. Yeah.
Here's 32 hertz.
32. All right. That'll be a big jump. Can you get the window?
Because I was trying to do both before.
Yeah.
It's tuned a little higher.
Yes, sir.
Less airspace, but yeah. Now that once I get the front dialed in.
Yes, sir.
I'll probably just, I don't know, it's a habit. It's the sealed box is great for when doors open, playing music, and you just, you know, it's a lot more responsive, a lot more
Yeah, it
authority.
is.
You know, people's pants are moving 10 feet away from the car.
and cone control's a lot better.
Yeah. But I may maybe invert the subs and add a little bit of polyfill in there to get the tuning down.
Yeah.
Right now it's, with it opened up, it resonates in the low 50s.
Okay.
So if I get it before, I did take out some airspace to bump up the SPL.
Okay.
So I may put the airspace back in it and then invert the subs and get it, you know, where it plays a little flatter.
Yes, sir. Awesome. Thanks, Jonathan. Thanks for showing me again. That sounds good still either way. Especially the bandwidth you got.
Do what?
The bandwidth is pretty good.
Yeah.
Was that?
52.
Woo!
That's
Made me sneeze.
I can run something a little bit lower.
Oh, thank you. That one made me sneeze.
That's kind of the
higher note.
well, like for park and pound.
Yeah. All right. Yeah.
Here's 32 hertz.
32. All right. That'll be a big jump. Can you get the window? So right now it's only on 2 amps, you said.
Yeah.
So how much power?
Well, it's 5. It'd be 5,000 if it was loaded at 1 ohm, but it's 1.6. So I mean, it's probably
less. Yeah.
maybe
All right.
maybe 30, maybe 3,000 watts.
Okay.
Maybe.
Sure. Was that?
52.
Woo!
That's
Made me sneeze.
I can run something a little bit lower.
Oh, thank you. That one made me sneeze.
That's kind of the
higher note.
well, like for park and pound.
Yeah. All right. Yeah.
Here's 32 hertz.
32. All right. That'll be a big jump. Can you get the window? Got it? Don't worry about it. It's definitely punchy on the higher note.
Yeah. But, I mean, there's not a lot of. I've because I was trying to do both before.
Yeah.
It's tuned a little higher. You know.
Yes, sir.
Less airspace.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeOfViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.